Quick Robo Learner by Ejaita Clement Onakpobiru. So, Chapter 1, Unyomi Ovo. Chapter in Robo means Unyomi. Unyomi Ovo. Come, Yare. Yare also means small. Go, Yara. What is your name? Die Oye Odewe. Robo alphabet. Robo alphabets means Ibiabire Urobo. Ibiabe means alphabet. A, B, C, D, J, E, F, G, B, R, W, H, I, J, K, P, L, M, N, Y, O, R, P, Q, R, S, Š, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. That is Robo 38. Those are Robo 38 alphabet. Wando. Now Robo have 7 vowels. Vowels in Robo means Ibiedo Uwo. Vowels in Robo means Ibiedo Uwo. Vowels in Robo means Ibiedo Uwo. I will read them. A, E, I, O, U. Now we are going to describe them with certain words so that we can know how to pronounce them. I make it bold so that you can see them. Descriptions. We have letter, we have sound, we have word. A is seen in the word of Robo called abo. Abo, hence. A, ere, mat. Ere, goat. Ere, goat. Ego, money. Obo, hand. Ogo, bottle. Ubi, seed. Now we have Robo consonant. Robo consonant. Robo consonant is Ibiedo Akon. Robo consonant. We have 28 consonants. Robo Ibiedo Akon Ujegbere. It means Robo has 28 consonants. I'm going to read them starting from P. Okay. P, B, T, D, Ch, G, K, G, B, 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 P, F, V, C, Z. We will have Z there. Then she, G. We will have Z there. Then she, G, Ri, he, me, ni, ye. We will have NY. Nye, NY is nye. We have a word like nyerobo or nyo. Nye. Then MW, mwe. Then we have re, where we have ROH, re. Then re, VWV, where we have Y is G, ye, ye. Then we have we, which is W. And we are moving forward to see how to use some vowels in this words in this picture. We have name of things with vowel sounds. Erako, Eranko is dog. Agbara chair. Ehara umbrella. Ugbunu mouth. Ikun crayfish. Opera bed. Unoke wall clock. Irimutu remote. Ase sieve or sieve. Imidaka cassava. Akise, I don't know what they call it in English. Akise. Then we have oka corn. Coconut, ukokodia. Ukokodia is coconut. Then we have ore plantain. Odibo banana. Iribo pepper. Okay. Now we're going to use the above words to form short sentences. Give me your umbrella. Kebe iharawe. Give me your umbrella. Kebe iharawe. Write your name. Si odewe. Read this book. Si obenana. I am going. Meyara. Count the money. Keri igona. Give me the sieve. Kebe asena. Take away the pepper. Toro iribo na yara. 8. Let's cook plantain today. Je chere orenone. Let's cook plantain today. Je chere orenone. I like banana. Mibo egwonore odibo. I want to buy coconut. Me gwono de ukokodia. Ado. This is exercise 1. Now we come to chapter 2. Unyomi river. I told you chapter in Robo is Unyomi. Literal meaning of Unyomi is head. So we believe that chapter is the head of a section of a book. So Unyomi river is a chapter 2. Numbers and numeral system in Robo. Okay, number of quantity. The Robo numbering of quantity has to do with counting numbers, e.g. 1 over 2, even 3, era 4, ene 5, inyori 6, esa 7, iwre 8, erere 9, iriri 10, ihwe 11, ihwe gbovo, ohwovo 12, ihwe gbive 13, ihwegbera 14, ihwegbene 15, ihwegbinyori 16, ihwegbesan 17, ihwegbiwren 18, ihwegbere 19, ihwegbirinrin 20, uje 21, ujegbovo 22, ujegbive 23, ujegbera 24, ujegbene 25, ujegbinyori 30, ọgbọ̀n. Let's count in 5 now. 35, ọgbọ̀n gbìnyòrìn. 40, ujuve. 60, ujora. 65, ujora gbìnyòrìn. 70, ujora gbìhwe. 75, ujora gbìhwiorin. 80, ujone. 85, ujone gbìnyòrìn. 90, ujone gbìhwe. 100, ujuorin. Now let's count it 10. 110, ujuorin gbihwe. 120, ujosan. 130, ujosan gbihwe. 140, ujuwren. 150, ujuwren gbihwe. 160, ujerinrin. 170, ujerinrin. 180, ujuririn. 190, ujurin gbihwe. 200, urin or ujuorin ive. Wado. Now we're going to be looking at calendar in Robo traditional calendar. This has to do with numbering of days and months. Robo days of the week. Apart from the 7 days of counting the week, Robo also have the traditional way of counting 4 special days of the week. They are Edebi, a day before big market. We know Igbo also have their own, AK and all those things. So Edebi is a day before big market day. In Robo traditional community, we have big market day and we have small market day. So Edebi is a day before big market day. Edewo is a big market day. Achwedewonu is a day after big market day. Eduhre is a small market day. The above are not just like the English working days of the week, but they are Urhobo traditional days of weekly Urhobo activities, such as days of going to market and days of going to work or farm. Edebi, this is a day before Edewo, that is a day before big market day. Edewo, Urhobo use Edewo to number every big market day of most Urhobo land and communities. In the olden days, the Urhobo value Edewo so much to the extent that everybody is expected to be in the market. No one goes to the farm that day. Achwedewonu, this is a day after big Urhobo market day. This day, people go to the farm, marriage, burial, etc. Eduhre, this is a market day, not a general market day. People are not restricted from going to work or farm. However, Urhobo also have a way of counting the 5 working days and the 2 free days, 2 weekend days, Saturday and Sunday. They are Monday, Ediruovo. Monday, Ediruovo. Ediruovo means first working day. Tuesday, Ediruive. Ediruive. Ediruive means second working day. Wednesday, Ediruera. Ediruera means third working day. Thursday, Ediruene. Ediruene means fourth working day. Friday, Ediruenyori. Ediruenyori means the 5th working days, literally. Saturday, Edijana Otete. Edijana Otete means small weekend day. Saturday is a small weekend day to Urhobo people, so it is called Edijana Otete. Otete means small. Edijana Otete. We also have Edijana Ode. Sunday is Edijana Rode. And temporary days description. None. None means today. Today. None. Odeye, yesterday. Odeochana, tomorrow. Numbering of months in Urhobo. Numbering of months in Urhobo. Urhobo also have a way of numbering the month of the year, like the English calendar. Urhobo also have 12 calendar months in a year, apart from counting for the month of pregnancy, which have to do with counting the sessions of moon appearing as 1 month. So we move to chapter 3 because of time. Chapter 3 is vocabulary. Vocabulary. We are looking at 400 word list with their meaning. 400 word list with their meaning. So we have the English word and we have the Urhobo word. So you see head, unyomi, hair, eto, eye, ero, ear, eron, nose, unwe, mouth, unu, tooth, ubiako, tongue, erebe, jaw, egban, chin, agboto, beard, eto egban, neck, ohore, breast, ivie, heart, ubiudun, belly, akpeva or ugava, stomach, evun, navel, uhohi, back, ugbuko, arm, eherobo, hand, obo, nail, ififabo, buttock, ikebe, penis, osho, vagina, ohoro, thigh, ikpogawo, leg, owo, knee, ugbo, brawo, leg, owo, knee, ugbo, body, oma, skin, ohoroma, bone, ubekun, blood, ọbara, saliva, èèyàn, urine, èébẹ, feces, iṣan, that is shit, iṣan, food, emu, water, àmì, soup, òwò, meat, ẹ̀ràmì, fat, ìrì, fish, erin, oil, ọ̀fìgbò, salt, uwaka, 43 now, wine, udi, 44, palm wine, ọ̀gọ̀rọ̀, yam, ọ̀nẹ, cassava, imidaka, guinea corn, ọkà bàbà, millet, ọkà Hausa, maize, ọkà, beans, ire, pepper, iribo, okra, ishaun, plantain, ọ̀rẹ̀, banana, odibo, orange, utien. We are 56 now. Groundnut, isawe, groundnut, isawe, kola nut, ubiere or ewe, tobacco, itaba, cotton, ubisi, cotton, ubisi, that is cotton, that's cotton wool, ubisi, oil palm, orie, seed, ubi, grass, odi, tree, ure, leaf, ebe, ure, bark, that is of tree, ohoro, ure, root, awọ, ure, thorn, unwe, stick, ubure, firewood, ire rarin, charcoal, ibi, fire, irarin, smoke, ibiri, ashes, iwurie, water pot, oche, cook pot, ugwo, calabash, akpa, grinding stone, eraga uno or ukuta, mortar, uro, we are 79 now, knife, amavia, 79, knife, amavia, hoe, ewuro, 80, 81, ass, ushure, 81, ass, ushure, machete, oda, or cutlass, oda, spear, agbogun, bow, that is weapon for weapon, ogbodo, arrow, ugaga, iron, basket, àpẹrẹ, bag, ekpu, rope, uruhre, needle, egbede, it's egbede, not egbede, thread, òrúrú, cloth, àwọn, rope, ìgànnì, hat, èrò, shoe, ìsàbàtò, money, ìgò, door, eche, wall, ìgbẹ̀yìn, room, ùvùn, house, òwèmí, compound, egodo, town, orere, village, ọ̀kú, wall, ìgbẹ̀yìn. Oh, I've said that before, so I'm saying it twice now. Wall, ìgbẹ̀yìn. Rubbish, that is dustbin, eruru. Road, ìjèrè. Market, èkì. Farm, uju. Bush, awa. River, urie. Sea, abadi. Boat, which is canoe, oko. Stone, iraga, ukuta. Mountain, ugbenu. Ground, oto. Earth, ekpen. Sand, ekpen. Dust, ubwe. Mud, ibrehe. Wing, ibekpe, that is wing of bird. Rain, osio. Sunshine, eno uvo. Sun, uvo. Moon, orin. Star, isio. Day, ede. Night, asun. Down, okirie. Darkness, ebri. Sleep, overe, work, iruo, war, ofovi, fear, osho, hunger, onwebe, test, taste, uruame, year, ukpe, rainy season, okiosio, dry season, okyuvo, song, une, story, osia, word, ota, lie, efia, thing, eramon, animal, erame, goat, ebe, he-goat, okri, sheep, ogode, cow, inama, horse, iyesi, donkey, ekekete, dog, eranko, cat, ologbo, rat, ohroye, ogresi. The one that stay in the house is ohro. The one that stay in the bush is ogresi. We are in number 155 now. Chicken, number 155. Chicken, oho. Cock, ogborane. Duck, ikpukpuyeke. Egg, ukoho. Wing, ibekpe. It's like I'm repeating this one also twice here now. Wing, ibekpe. Feather, ibekpe. Horn, ogban. Tail, ururu. Tail, ururu. Leopard, orwa. Crocodile, ejere. Elephant, eni. Buffalo, bush cow. Bushfallow, ogoli. Monkey, ewerin. Tortoise, ogbein. Snake, orodeko. Lizard, ogogori. Crab, ogadie. Toad, ogoro. Snail, usekpe. Housefly, iyen. Bee, ubioyon. Mosquito, onwe. Louse, ishu. Bird, obran. Vulture, udele. Kite, which is bird. Kite, apiapia. Hawk, oso. Guinea-fowl, ohohowa. Bat, aja. Person, okwo. Name, ode. Man, oshare. Male, oshare. Husband, oshare. Woman, aye. Female, aye. Wife, aye. Old person, okpako or omiragwa. Senior or older, okpako. Father, ose. Mother, oni. Child, omo. Children, emo. Son, omoshare or omoshare. We are in 199 now. Daughter, omote. 199. Daughter, omote. Elder brother, 200. Okpako, omoshare. Younger brother, oniovo, omoshare. Elder sister, okpako, omote. Younger sister, oniovo, omote. Uncle, oniovo, oniyere, oniovo, ose, omoshare. In-law, ogo. Guest, stranger, aurora. Guest or stranger is aurora. Friend, ugbenya. King, ovie. Hunter, orwe. Chief, oji. Doctor, obu. Wish, onieda. Chief, olorogu. Medicine, umu. Fetish, umu obu. Corpse, orimi. God, ogene. Bone, ubekun. Born, tore. Born, togibet, vie. Flog, fa. Riches, efe. Place, asa. Upstairs, egenege. Shadow, uhoho. Cry, ovie. Flower, ododo. King, ovie. Love, egwono. Forever, bedebede. Fever, odo. Debt, osa. Rue, iri. Try, dabe. Smart, sasa. Impotent, ochibe. Moon, orin. Work, oyan. lazy man, obiere oshari. Now we are in number 240. Number 240, poor man, ogbere oshari. Mark, oka. Frog, ogoro. Pleasure, akperio. Elder, okpako. Position, adia. Difference, ofene. Elephant talk, ukoro. 200, uri. 400, urive. Black, obiebi. White, ofafo. Red, obawari. Sorry, red, obawari. Big, that is great, orode. Small, otutuno. Long, ogrogro. Short, okrekre. Old, anwari. New, okpokpo. Wet, kporo. Dry, ya. Hot, roro. It's roro, not roro. Not roro. It's roro. That is hot, roro. Cold, jiro. Right, obore. That is right hand side. Left, obokwere. Good, oyoma. Bad, ochori. Sweet, abere. Heavy, ohoho. Full, evon. Strong, ga. Hard, ogaga. Eat, re. Drink, da. Swallow, ro. Bite, robo. Lick, raro. Taste, dave. Spit, je. Vomit, geri. Urinate, where. Urinate, where. Defecate, ne. Give birth, where. Stand up, vre, mudia. Sit down, kidia. Kneel down, shigwe. Lie down, shire. Sleep, vire. Dream, evere. Go, yara. Come, yari. Return, rivi. Arrive, when you have arrived at somewhere. Enter, raw. Climb, yere. Descend, motor. Fall, she. Walk, nya. Run, jugbone. Jump, po. Fly, ran. Pass, wavre. Turn round, komarerie. Follow, nene. That is follow me, nenuve. Follow me means nenuve. We are in number 104 now. 104, see, mren. See, mren. Hear, nyo. Touch, jobote. Know, rien. Remember, karubiyo. Forget, chero. Think, roro. Learn, yono. Laugh, we. Weep, that is cry, vie. Sing, sune. Dance, gbeha. Play, ha. Fear, osho. Great, yere. It's great. I wanted to write, not great. Abuse, hare. Fight, hurry. Call, say. Send, ji. Say, ta. Ask, no. Reply, pahe. Ask, that is question, no. Refuse, say. Die, wu. Die means wu. Like, egwono. Want, gwono. Look for, gwono or gwolo. We are in about 332 now. Loss, guru. Get, bo. Gather, koko. Steal, jo. Take, reyo. Carry, mu. Show, je. Give, ke. Sell, she. Choose, jereyo. Buy, de. Pay, kwosa. Count, kere. Divide, gare. Finish, oreri, ore. Cash, mu. Shoot, sa. Kill, we. Skin, ohoro. Cook, chere. Fry, frare. Roast, to. Pound, do. Grind, lo. pour ku, throw do, sweep were, burn tore, extinguish furie, plate, that's a plate air, metal, weave, row. We are in 363 now. Spine, sew, go to sew cloth, put on, kubio, take off, kunu, wash, hore, sponge, tobia, ring, me, pull, see, push, gere, beat, teye, break, biri, break, that is, break calabash, way, break calabash or breaking plate is way, break stick, biri, that is to break something like stick or biro or ruler, biri, tear, berry, split, gary, pieces, do, ho, euro is to piece something that I want to write there, pieces. Okay, ho, euro, dig, ton, sow, that is to sow a seed in the hole, corn, plant, corn, bury, show, build, ball, mold, ma, carve, carry, make, ru, hold, yori, tie, juru, untie, ra, cover, ruru, open, rie, close, karen, rotten, gbon, stink, gbon, or gbonre, stink, gbonre, swear of boy, woo, blow with mouth, wowo, blow off wind, wowo, surpass, vre, dwe, dia, wando. These are 400 words. We just finished reading. Okay, we are moving to the next section. Robo words from different endeavor. Robo words from different endeavor. We have robo words on football game. Robo words on football game. Igemu, game. Unuigoru. Okay, let me start again. Igemu, game. Unuigoru, goalpost. Omuiboru, goalkeeper. Simi, dragging. Fanobo, pass. Okwo Unwemi, teammate. Nyori, guide. Farunwemi, score. Fiboro Obuko, Ifiboro Obuko, defender. Ifiboro Heavy, midfielder. Abemo, foul. Horiwisoro, blow whistle. Horiwisoro, blow whistle. Also opponent. Opponents. Omuigoru, goalkeeper. Emekpo Oto, boss 18. Efare, penalty kick. Penalty. Ikadi Owabari, red card. Ikadi Onenere, yellow card. Ikoshu, coach. Favia, play out. Ubroki Esoso, first half. Oke Ujegbi Nyori, 15 minutes. De won or win. Emera Oke, extra time. Inuge, spectator. Uko Agogo, trophy. Uko cup. Bie tapping. Rege, dribbling. Efa Ora, offside. Efa Nakoko, corner kick. Okay, we also have words on commerce. Go to see words on commerce. We just finished words on football game. Okay, for commerce we have profit, erere, trade, ekechuo, customer, oneki, cost price, unuigo, selling price, unu ashe, commodity, eramo ashe, producer, or roadware, consumer, or roria, ose, ekio odudu, ose eke odudu, rite obomiekobo, rite obomiekobo. Now we're going to banking sector, West, Robo West on banking. On banking, you have to invest Ejebiyo, shareholder Orowo Adia, share Eke, simple interest Emerere, investment Ejebiyo, transfer Emoyan, cash advance Igwe Ekwabiyo, cash transfer Igwe Ekwabiyo, safe Omafuro, compound interest Remu Koko, check Ebe Igo. Okay, now we go to medicine, Robo West on medicine. Sore throat, Oga Ejokwa. Sore throat, Oga Ejokwa. Jaundice, Omaikpe. Smallpox, Imibe. Headache, Nyomekpere. Measles, Erubebe. Yellow fever, Odo. Cough, Onwore. To faint, Esherwa. Boy, Urube. Now we go to religious, West on religious. We have church, Ishoshi or Ichochi, shrine, Ora, court, Eshe, consecrate, Eworo, dedicate, Ewoze, sacrifice, Izeze, ritual, Izobo, offering, Okeronewere, thanking, Ekpeme, praise, Orere, Eramere, Unwemi, these are domestic animals. Inama, cow, Egbo, bull, Ogode, sheep, Ewe, goat, Okri, he-goat, Onogbo, kitty, kitty, Eruen, native cow, Onogbo, cat, Erako, dog, Esi, pig, Iyesi, horse, Ekekete, donkey, Oho, chicken, Ikpukpuyeke, duck, Inekuku, dove, Itonotono, turkey. Wado. West from palm fruit farming and palm production. West from palm fruit farming and palm production. As we all know, palm fruit farming is one of the major occupations of the Urhobo people. So we must learn some words about that occupation. 1. Oberokpa, astronaut, the man that does the climbing to the third palm tree to get the palm fruit. It is called Oberokpa. 2. Efi, climbing ring. That rope they use for climbing the tree is Efi. Oda, cutlass. Oze, basin. Oze for carrying the palm fruit. Number 5, Oshekure, that is palm fruit farming shoe. There's a special palm fruit farming shoe by the Urhobo people. Urekpe is that yoke for carrying load, for carrying the palm fruit. Wood for carrying bunch of palm fruit. It is also called yoke. Edi, palm fruit. Ibi, palm kernel. Ibiedi, palm fruit seed. Ineme, sharpening file. Ushure, axe. That's number 11, Ushure, axe. Number 12, Igogono, can. 13, Ikodomu, barrel. Barrel for storing oil. It is called Ikodomu. Okedi, that is palm oil tech, where they produce the oil. Okibi, there's no word for Okibi in English. It is called, you can call it sieve. It's a kind of sieve for sieving the kernel, the shaft, and the oil crude. Every oil, Era fiber, Itunedi palm shaft, Ogbudu oil waste. Wado. You can see the picture of the Okedi. This is a kind of technology by the Urhobo for producing palm oil. It's a native technology. So do the exercise at home on your own. Now we come to chapter 4, parts of speech. Ekpo eta, Part of speech means ekpo eta, ode noun, ediode pronoun, otairuo verb, orunba adverb, ojemu preposition, ojewia adjective, otakugbe conjunction, unuebo exclamation. Now we shall see how Urhobo use them. Ode means ode oye ekpo eta rodie ode ukworakpo asan yere eramo efa. That's definition of noun in Urhobo. Is a part of speech that have to do with name of human being, name of thing, name of animal, and place or thing. Now, ediode, which is pronoun, onana oye mudia wiyo otare wiyo ediare ode. It put in the place of a noun. Otairu oye ekpo eta romudia wiyo obore wiare yere reruru ve irieta. Example: je, mo, yara, mudia, si, roro, etc. Orunba onana oye ekpo eta rebo je kpae otairu. Example: gidigidi, ememera, zigizigi, patapata, etc. Ojemu, which is preposition. Ojemu oye ebo je emuve ifresi yere irieta. It is used for describing something in phrase or in sentences. Example: example of ojemu is onana, oyena, ona, obenu, oboto, akoko, etine, etc. Ojewia adjective. Ojewia oye ekpo eta ro je kpae ode ve ifresi yere irieta. Example: grogro, krekre, ruaro, hehere, biebi, fafo, eruvu, and so on. Otakugbe conjunction. Onana oyebo yoro. Oyabo yoro ifresi yere irieta kugbe. Conjunction is used for combining phrases or sentences. Example: ve, kugbe, siene, ekevovo, etc. Unuebo exclamation. Onana oye otare unuebo re emu re igbunu davia. Onana oye otare unuebo re emu re igbunu davia. That is, it is what we express when something of surprise happen. We have sure, ewo, ah. Those are exclamation. Those are examples of exclamations in Urhobo. Wando. Now we move to the next section. Present tense and past tense in Urhobo. Present tense and past tense in Urhobo are not like the way English and other languages have it. Are not like the way English and other languages have it. They can change at any time, depend on where they appear in a sentence or in a phrase. Okay, present tense, past tense. Re, come. Re came. Ta, say. Tare, said. Re, eat. Re, ate. Si, write. Siri, wrote. She, for. Sherry, fair. She, sell. Sherry, sold. Where, laugh. Where, laughed. Roro, think. Rorori, thought. Je, run. Je, run. Jerry, ran. Po, jump. Ori, jumped. Yono, teach. Yonori, taught. Gary, share. Garere, shared. So, sing. Soro, sang. Mre, see. Mrere, saw. Sane, select. Sanere, selected. Da, drink. Dare, drank. Poro, wet. Porori, wet. Miomi, spoil. Miomiri, spoilt. Vie, cry. Viere, cried. chere, cook, chereri, cooked. Wado. Now singular and plural in Yoruba. Ọmọ, child, emo, children. Agbára, chair, egbara, chairs. Ohwo, person, ihwo, people. Ekpo, bag, ikpo, bags. Obo, hand, abo, hands. Ewu, cloth, iwu, clothes. Oho, fowl, eho, fowls. Omoze, plate, imize, plates. Obe, book, ebe, books. Omoshari, boy, emeshari, boys. Onogbo, cat, inogbo, cats. Awa, farm, ewa, farms. Omote, ge, emete, guess. Agho, branch, ego, branches. Ukujere, spoon, ikujere, spoons. Onwe, mosquito, inwe, mosquitoes. Unwe, nose, inwe, noses. As antonyms, look like the mosquito spelling too. They are the same spelling with mosquito. Ushapre, key, is keys. Oto, land, eto, lands. Erin, fish, inyeri, fishes. Ijere, road, ijere, roads. Ishoshi, church, ishoshi, churches. Ikoko madiko, potato, ikoko madiko, potatoes. Inama, cow, inama, cows. Short sentences in Yoruba. Mikpo isukuru, mikpo isukuru, mikpi sukuru. Mikpo isukuru is written form. Mikpi sukuru is spoken form. Mikpo isukuru, I went to school. Mi se ebe, I read. Mi se ebe me, I read my book. Mi se ebe me, I read my book. The teacher na fa Okoro. The teacher flogged Okoro. Oviere, he cried. Me where, I laughed. Me chare, I want to eat. Me chare, I want to eat. Questions in Yoruba. Question is called Enano in Yoruba. What, dear? This is not Dayo, it's dear. What, dear? Where, Tivo? How, Mavo? Which, Ovo? When, Okevo? And so let's see how we use them in question line, question phrase in Yoruba. Dear Watari, what did you say? Dear Viare, what happened? Dear Watari, what will you eat? Dear warrior, what are you eating? Tivo Wonecha, where are you coming from? Tivo Wara, where are you going? Tivo Wodia, where do you live or where do you stay? Tivo Ye Ova, where is it? Mavo Ojiri, how are you? Mavo Ogrote, how long is it? Mavo Orote, how big is it? Mavo Wovonie, how did you know? Mavo Wovonie, how did you know? Ovo, which? Ovo Onye water, which are you saying? Or which one are you saying? Ovo Wo Dere, which one did you buy? Ovo Wo Chare, which one will you eat? Ovo Onye Kare, which one came first? Okevo, that is when. Okevo Wo Wocha, when are you coming? Okevowore. When did you come? Okevo ovovie. When did she give birth? Okevo oye vosio. When was it written? Okevo oye vosio. When was it written? Question that does not begin with WH. Bromekewe. Bromekewe. How many or how much did I give you? This one, they have HW in English, but they don't have HW in Yoruba. Bro Abo Misewe, how many times did I call you? One day. One day. You said what? One day. You said what? What array will you eat? What array will you eat? Okay, for your own practices, please look at exercise 4 and answer the questions. God bless you. Okay, we are going to read some comprehension passage here. Short comprehension passage about Mukoro Mowe. Olorogu Mukoro Mowe, Osuzuku Yegbe, Re Esoso ve Urobo. Osuzuku Yegbe Re Esoso ve UPU. Onere Urobo Ejobiku Omakugbe. Oneki Re Akpo Re Anware. Okenene Inyibo She Emu ve Owa Besie Okivo Oroboroyi. I'll come again because of that noise. Olorogu Mukoro Mowe, Osuzuku Yegbe Resoso ve Urobo. Osuzuku Yegbe Resoso ve UPU. Onere Urobo Ejobiku Oma Kugbe. Onekire Akpore Anware. Okenene Inyiboshe Emu ve Owa Besie Okivo Oroboroyi. Olorogu Onajirebe Michael Ibru. This is our Robo legend. Olorogu Onajirebe Michael Ibru Oye Odaferode Re Urobowori no Oke Anwarire. Ekire Inyeri Oye Ochowofe. Asare Oke Vana. Ikopini Iwemive Imoto Robori Esekere Ayere. Wando. This is gradable. These are gradable grammatical categories in Yoruba and their pattern of grading. So we see example 1 here. We see Hamere, Mahave, Mahave Parobo. That is small, smaller, smallest. Hamere, small. Mahave, smaller. Mahave Parobo, smallest. Okay. Let's use the example in sentences. Epure Ufoma Hamere. Ufoma's bag is small. Oweye Mahame. Yours is smaller. Omeye Mahame Parobo. Mine is the smallest. Okay. We are moving. Biri, maybe Parobo. Biri black. Maybe more black. Maybe Parobo most black. Yoviri good. May Yovi better. May Yovi Parobo best. Growing tall. May grow taller. May grow Parobo tallest. Crane short. Macre shorter. Macre Parobo shortest. Okay, please look at this example. Cre short. It's an adjective. Cre short. Grow tall. Loloho soft, Suesun strong, Yoyobi good, Miomiomi bad, Biebi black, Fuanfo white, Hwahwa tight, Bebe wide. Example 3. Jiro cold, J ice blocked, Boro warm, Twabo heat, Roro hot. We have Ojeja preposition. Otowiyo beginning, Uherevie middle, Oba end, Uko back, Evu inside, Otafe outside, Arrow front. Okay, so let's come to now. Omoboba infant, Omotete teenage, Egene youth, Omiragwa adult, Omare old. So these are gradable. You see, as we grade it from infant, from younger to the eldest. Okay. Now plural marker. Oho, eho. This is another way of plural marker different from the one we saw in chapter 4. Oho, eho. That is fowls. Omo, emo, child, children. Ikpu, bags. Ogoro, igoro, frogs. Omoze, imize. Urioke, let's grade the day. The session of the day, let's grade it from morning to night. Urioke, morning. Ugeruvo, afternoon. Owowo, evening. Asun, night. Otairo, verb. See verbs in example 5. Vie means cry. Vie, not crying. Vie means cry. Vie means not crying. Where means laugh. Where means not laughing. Say means read. Say means not reading. Or say, verb as past tense marker. Let's see verb as past tense marker. Okay. Romo, wake. Romore, woke. Romonu, woken. That is, she has woken up. Bere, tear. Berere, to. Berenu, turn. Je, run. Jere, ran. Jenu, run. Gunu, bend. Gunuru, bent. Gununu, bent. That it has finished bending. Si, write. Siri, wrote. Sinu, written. Remember, we are looking at gradable objects. Omo na cha romo, the child will wake. Omo na romore, the child woke. Omo na romonu, the child has woken. And do verb again. Ve, share, de, that is price, sell, and buy. Ve, share, de, price, sell, and buy. Odere eka eramire. Ode eka eramori firi. Odere eka eramori firi. Hyponis in robo. We have agboro. We have omra. Hypony is a little bit different from synonyms. Hyponies are words that came from under a group of 18. So we have hyponies of music. Ikwakware huru. We have agboro, which is microphone. We have omra, which is speaker. Then we have hyponies for house, that is houses in women. We have utuge, hot. We have egenege, upstairs. We also have hyponies for animal, Hyponyms for animals. Hyponyms for animals. Irami, animal means Irami. Irami means animal. Iyesi, horse. Iyesi aye, female horse. Iyesi oshari, male horse. Imenu, cow. Eruen, local cow. Imenu, cow. Eruen, local cow. Inama, bull or male cow. Eranko, dog. Eranko, oshari, oshari, I want to write there. Eranko, oshari, male dog. Eranko aye, female dog. They'll have agbanache. Akpanure. You're looking at aphony of these things. Aphony of agbana is akpanure. That is two, wooden stool. Then akaba, wooden chair. We have semantic relation and connotations in Urobo. Etare kerumabe Urobo. We have plug. Inside plug, we have koro. Koro utiena, pluck the orange. Save ebena, pluck the leaf. You cannot say koro ebena, you say save ebena. So they are different. They'll have fetch. Fetch, vo amina, fetch the water. Je uko ami ovukebe. Let me come again. From fetch we have vo ami kebe, fetch water for me. Je uko ami ovukebe, fetch me a cup of water. Fry, kake. Fry, kake. Kake ikarana, fry the beans cake. Ton igarina, fry the gari. You cannot say ton ikarana, and you cannot say kake igarina. Craw, katie, ogbeyina katiekpo. The tortoise has crawled away. Pono, orodikona, orodiko pono. Snake crawl. Snake crawl. Pono, orodiko pono. Snake crawl. Shoro, omona sa shoro. The child can crawl. Then connotation. Obore otamujabio, that is what a word stands for. Omote. Omote stands for a child, stands for aye, stands for human being. Omoshari is a child. It's omo, soshari is a human being. Egbo is an old okpakoro, oshari, erame. So you do this exercise. Okay, let's look at these words here. We'll be rounding up. Egwono, love. These are words based on relationship and marriage. Egwono, love. Miwo egwono, where I love you. Osin, fiance or fiancé. Orome, marriage. Orome, marriage. Ayeme, my wife. Erubu, beauty. Wowo erubu, you are beautiful. Woromo, will you marry me? Will you marry me? Osharime, my husband. Ehwari, sexual intercourse. That is sexual intercourse, ehwari. Bro ehwari, have sexual intercourse. Omote, gay. Omote, gay. Omotube, virgin gay. Omotube, virgin gay. Igberaja, prostitute. Or omofarie. Another word for Igberaja is omofarie. Omofarie, prostitute. Omotogbe, divorced woman. Emwe, Omotogbe, divorced woman. Omeje, introduction. Emwebro, marriage ceremony. Iwo Emwebro, bride price. Owa, bride. Ogome, my in-law. Wando. You can sponsor so that we place your advert on our video clips. God bless you. Wando. Please use the account numbers below.